everyone, welcome to another motovlog on my channel. My name is Marshall3498. Today's motovlog topic, what I'd like to talk about is motovlogging as a whole. I've spent right at 5 years now motovlogging. It started out with a Sena Prism camera, and then I went to the GoPro Hero 4 Silver, which is my B camera, is what you're seeing now, with a Sena backpack with a 10S, and use that for several years. And this is really about my 6-month window of using a GoPro Hero 4 Black with the medium mod and a Purple Panda wired mic. And I just thought on today's motovlog I'll go over some tips and tricks for any new motovloggers or people that are thinking of starting motovlogging. I've learned lots of stuff over the years of doing it, and there's some of the top things that'll really help your channel better as a whole and make you more proud of the finished product is, one, as good as audio as you can get it, meaning zero to no wind noise, whether you use a GoPro Hero 4 Silver with a Sena backpack, with a Sena whatever product it is, and that's how you get your audio, whether you do that or you go wired, like some of the new GoPro Hero, a GoPro Hero 5 and up, you have no other choice but to go a wired mic setup. But the 8 and 9 you can use a medium mod like I do and use a wired mic. And I've made motovlogs of this since late January of 2021, and I've not had a single failure, audio went out, any of that. And I'm sure there's a lot of people who use the mic adapter, the big brick on the side of your helmet or whatever, and I'm sure a lot of people have good luck with that. But even the bigger motovloggers that I've watched for years, a lot of times have problems with that setup. So if you want to deviate, can't say that word well, sorry, a potential problem, just go to the medium mod to begin with. It's not but like $15, maybe $20 more for the medium mod, and there's no way for it to not, well, there's still some ways for the not get audio, but if you don't have it plugged in the medium mod all the way, literally the side door will not shut, and you'll know something's wrong. Either you got it upside down or something just wrong, something's not fitting right, something. And as long as you make sure your back adapter and your mic's plugged in, you're good. And it just alleviates another problem. A lot of people even say like it has to be bent, the wire has to be bent at a certain angle, or blah blah blah, and it just seems like a lot of people have problems at them. That's why I went this route, instead of 5, 6, or 7 GoPro, just because it seemed like it worked a little better. Granted, this setup is not really waterproof either. The other setup is to a point, if you do, depending on how you set it up. But let's be honest, if you're getting footage and even a sprinkle rain that I've done before on a first ride on a Yamaha demo day, the footage is absolutely horrible. The least little bit water gets on the lens, you can't see, you're constantly wiping it, you don't know how the footage is going to come out. So just do yourself a favor if you can help it, and don't try to motovlog in the rain at all. If you want to go out and ride, cool, and don't mind riding in the rain, go for it, but don't even bother trying to motovlog in the rain. I just don't think it's a good idea. Like I said, your footage is going to come out horrendous, and at best it's going to be mediocre, and then you might not even use it. So that's another thing. But your main thing, what you want to do is get good clean audio with zero to very, very little wind noise. I myself, if I see a topic that I want to watch on there and their audio's crap, I'll give it a minute or two before I click off, just to be nice. But I really don't feel like watching it if the audio's not any good. Your topic doesn't necessarily, as long as it's kind of motorcycle related, and if you can be interesting as best you can, be yourself, if you can do all that and be somewhat entertaining and talk about a topic and not just ramble and actually give good information about, then I feel like you know, that's another thing. Make sure you have a topic in your head, whether it's one topic and you want to do several takes, or if you want to do a practice take or do several takes and pick the best one, or you know, in editing, edited some of it down or whatever. But just make sure it's a topic that you can talk about without, you know, searching for words or stuttering or saying lots of ums or them. I do that a lot without even realizing it. I don't do that in normal life. It's odd until I turn the camera on, and then I do that, and I'm like, why am I doing that? I don't even talk like that there in real life. But you know, that's just part of motovlogging. All your mistakes will come through. There's going to be tons and tons and tons of you know, positive comments if you put out good content, but there's going to be a lot, and trust me, there's going to be a lot of people that try to comment, and the keyboard warriors, as they say, that try to throw stuff out there that think they know the topic you're talking about, but in fact it's kind of related, but not really. And you might as well get used to being thick-skinned and just take it with a grain of salt. Another big thing, as your channel starts to grow and you start to gain some subscribers, and this is, you know, I struggle from this. You're thinking, oh yay, I have 500 subscribers, every video is going to get like at least 100 views in a week. No, you're going to get, if you're lucky, 0.1% of the amount of views per week, or per, you know, every 2 weeks, depending on upload. You're going to get about 1/10 of those, if you're lucky, of the amount of views versus your subscriber count. That's just the way it is. You know, my channel, as of recording this, has about 800 subscribers, and most videos I try to upload every week on a consistent day. But most videos on average of mine will get like 50 or 60 views in a week, which is not horrible, but it's not great. You would expect to have at least 100 per topic, which is a general motovlog. Wrong. It's not going to happen. Sorry, but you know, I'm telling you how it is, and I'm being real because I'm a realist, and I'm just not gonna lie to y'all. But just be thick-skinned, be prepared to do a lot of work and editing and learning new stuff and playing with your mic setup and getting your audio as really, really good as you can. You know, you're gonna have to learn some editing software if you've never done this before, and that's a part of the struggle too. There's lots and lots of work to go to what you see to put out just a regular normal video. People think, oh, that's not hard, you just strap a GoPro on your face and go film. No, it's harder than you think. You know, one, it's hard to be entertaining while riding a motorcycle and trying to concentrate with traffic and road debris and, you know, just the overall things of riding a bike. But it's not as easy as everybody thinks it is. I know myself because I've done it for several years now. But you know, you just have to take the good with the bad and learn from it like anything else. You're gonna make mistakes in the beginning, and you're gonna do things that you wish you hadn't done or hadn't said, and have to edit those out, and then struggle for, you know, at least an hour or two to edit down a video. And then after that, then you still have to format it and make a thumbnail and upload it, and then type everything, you know, in the cards and the description, and it is a lot of work. You know, I enjoy doing it, but I'd be lying if there are sometimes where I question sometimes, why am I still doing this? But I do enjoy it, so I'm going to continue to do it for a while, and you know, just have to take the good with the bad. You know, the accomplishments of watching your channel grow is really a cool process to watch and be a part of, and get excited over that every time that subscriber goes out, like 10. But you may get lucky and have one viral video and your channel explode, or you may be like me and try and send stuff to other channels and do all that, comment on people's videos and go on different forums and different websites and try to promote your stuff the best you can, and it still take forever, like mine seemed to take to get to 800, and I'm so close to 1,000 that it's not even funny. And am I, you know, disheartened it has to reach 1,000? No, because, you know, if it was easy, everybody would do it, and it's not. But I do enjoy it, and anybody that I encourage that wants to try it should totally do that. Just try it out. You may like it, you may not, and if you don't, that's okay, because it's not for everybody. But But maybe some of these things have helped y'all. If you have any questions, concerns, comments, anything in the description, please, in the comment section, feel free to comment down below, and I'll do my best and my ability to help you out as much as I can. If you've not already done so, please subscribe, turn the bell notification on, as I generally do upload just about every week, most of the times. And ride safe and have fun. We'll see you on next, guys. See ya.